uh, this is a USB charging station, you can see. So I'm going to unbox it now for us to see what is this. So this is going to charge about 60 phones, 60 device. Okay. Oh yeah. See the operational manual. So right now I'm going to test it to see how it's working. So this device is going to charge about 60 phone. You can see it has about 60 USB ports, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 times, you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this is about 6, so making it 60 ports. So we are going to test it to see how it works. Okay, I think it's charged about. Here is the specification. The specification. The output device 5 volt 2.4 amps max. Faster, it's fast, charge fast. Fast charge. This is the second one. I think this is the second one. We'll test this one as well. Wow. So we're having up to 120 ports here. Wow. This is the charging station, phone charging station. USB is going to be attaching all this and the phone. in this place it has a kind of a cooling fan that cool the system. So you can see the cooling fan. It also has a handle. I can move it around. I think this is the indicator light that shows the power is on. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please do me a favor by subscribing. Thank you.